What's going on, y'all? Hope y'all having a great day today. So, let's get back on this, shall we? I know it's been a while, and well, this looks kind of weird because yeah. We building this a frame, or I guess you could call this a frame. Really just to connect that subframe and that subframe together. And the last time that I was messing with this thing, before I put it up in storage for a while, kept having issues with getting it square. And as it turns out, my repair that I had made from where this thing subframes had come out of a wrecked car, that was throwing me off. And the reason why is because I was measuring from hub center to hub center, and because of that it had this hub turned in like that and was throwing off all my measurements. So I'm gonna do this, and then we're gonna measure off of the lower ball joint down there. And there really wasn't no way of showing y'all the measurements and everything because I needed both hands, but there it is, square, level, set up the way that it's supposed to. Now the only thing left to do is there's a plate up underneath there. I'm gonna weld that to that, and got a couple of crossbars I'm gonna have to weld in, keep everything nice and square the way that it is right now. And if you'll notice, right there at the end of the frame, that's a little bit of a weird angle, a little bit of a weird offset, but I gotta take that piece of steel right there and it goes on top of this, and I've got to figure out how to fab a bracket to make it connect. And of course, gotta do that to the other side too. So I just went ahead and pulled them plates off of there and bolted them back up like they're supposed to be. And as you see, there's some CAD work going on. I already got one piece started. Nice thing about this kind of CAD work is you do it for one side and then you can flip it over and it fits the other side. So we take the CAD, create it steel, and then that piece is gonna go like that. Then we tack it in like so, and rinse and repeat on the other side, of course, and then we get a new piece to cut out. And when you're done, should look something like that. And I ain't cleaned it up yet, but this side too. But anyways, that gets the outside of the bracket and everything fixed, but now we need to do something in here. And this is kind of where I'm hung up at. Partly because I don't know if I should just cut out another one of these plates to put on this side and then box it all in, or if I should just, triangle there, box it off, triangle here. But anyways, however I work it out, I got a lot of cardboard to play with. Well, I have made a mess, but that is what we have came up with. And that's what it'll look like. Now, obviously, I still got the one little gusset to put right there, but I believe that will make for a good mount. There's that little top gusset just sitting there, and got the other side done too. And now that those are tacked in and ready to go, we can now move up here to the front. And the way we're going to do that is pull the frame out of the car. And of course, with it being out, that gives me time to, well, weld everything up. And of course, what you do on one side, you got to do on the other. Wrinkles and big, you got to have the shop assistants. But anyways, while they're doing their job, we've got a couple more triangles to make here. That way we can make that right there look like that right there. Got a little bit of a gap on this side, but I can fill that in. That won't be no problem at all. But check that out. Ain't that nice? And I will have to say, it looks a whole lot better when you flip it over and get it all welded up. Yeah. And of course, what you do on one side, do on the other. But with that right there, that makes the back mounts completely done. I may end up putting a gusset right there. I don't know yet. But now, we can move down here, which this is going to be very simple. It's literally just drilling holes. But you know what? That will do for now. The reason I say that is because, well, that's pretty much the frame done. Minus drilling a few holes and welding a nut to the back side of it. Yeah, it's done. So, with that being said, y'all be good to each other here, and like always, let's build cool shit together, y'all.